Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This particular day, I'm going to show you guys how to use a little donut pan. I've got this one for my neighbors for Christmas. I've used it before. I've done it as baked donuts, not fried donuts, so a lot more healthy option. They come out really fluffy and very tasty. So I'll show you guys how to do them. The pictures of the little donuts, there are some already on my Instagram account, but I'll put some more up. My Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on rapid as you used to by now, but I will take you step by step through the process as always. And if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell so that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And all the best. I wish you guys to have a lovely week ahead, and don't forget, until next time, take care of yourselves and go break on it, guys. Okay guys, so the ingredients for the little mini donuts are, so we're gonna use 57 grams of butter. I'm using salted butter as usual. We have here 50 grams of it should be vegetable oil. I only have sunflower oil, so I'm using sunflower oil instead of vegetable oil. 99 grams of granulated sugar, white sugar, and 71 grams brown sugar. I'm using demerara sugar because I like it more. It has that burnt taste to it. 2 large eggs. I've added to the flour. The flour is 319 grams of plain flour. And I've added a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and also a pinch of salt. And we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and also milk, 227 grams. Milk, we don't drink normal milk anymore, so this is almond milk. So my donuts are going to have that almondish burnt taste to them, and I'm going to dip them in some nuts at the end, so they're going to taste right. First thing we do, I'm going to use the hand mixer, and first thing that we do, we mix this little bowl together slowly, and then we add the oil to here and the eggs here. At the end we do half flour, milk, a bit of flour, a bit of milk, mix a bit of flour, a bit of milk, melts. Vanilla will be at the very end. So I'll show you guys all step by step, but let's get to it. Put this out of the way. I will use a bit of butter to what you call it. I'll spread a bit of butter on the pan so they don't stick to it. So I'll take this out of the way. And we will start with this. Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
And then there we go. So I rubbed the pan's handle because I don't want it to get burned. It already burned last time. And put my dough in a bag. Now you want to fill these about 3/4. And we will bake for about 10-12 minutes at 180. There's a little sugar here. There we go. I have a fan oven.
Take a step back to see the truth.